Hello, hello. Linda here with Total Wreath Design. Hope you guys are doing great today on this Monday. I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to make your own wreath form for those of you that make your own wreaths. This is how I do my forms. Every single wreath that I make my own. I just like the way it looks when I put the chenille stems. I can place them where I want to. So anyway, really quick, let's get started and show you guys how to make your own wreath form. All right, this is a Dollar Tree wreath form. It is a 14-inch wreath form, again from the Dollar Tree. And then we will need also some pipe cleaners, and these came from Hobby Lobby. This is just the tag. We're going to be using white today. So you'll need 18 pipe cleaners. All right, we'll need one again wreath form and 18 chenille stems or pipe cleaners. So what we're going to do, just for the tutorial's sake, these two bars here, there's four bars. These are the two inner, and these are the two outer bars. And then you've got your separation bars right here. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections. So we're going to have 3 chenille stems in each section. So we're going to get started. The first one, we're going to start on the inner section, on the inner rows and the inner bars. So you're going to put your chenille stems under the 2 inner in the middle of one of the sections. And you're going to twist, not too tight, put a little tension on it and twist 2 times like a bread tie, and that's it. If you twist and you pull too tight, you can actually break these wreath forms. They're not that strong. They are just $1. So let me show you really quick here if you can see. See, I'm going across the 2 inner bars. All right, let's do the other outside bars. And we will go all the way around. Okay, this is the second section. And again, we're gonna go right in the middle. A little tension, twist 2 times, stop. Next section, we're going to go on the center, again on the outer 2 bars, twist 2 times, a little tension, twist, done. I'm putting them under again, these 2 bars, twisting with a little tension, 1, 2, done. Next section, same thing. Twist 2 times, done. The last section here, twist 2 times, and done. Now I'm going to press all of my pipe cleaners just inward, just to kind of get them out of my way. So if you can see, we've put 1 pipe cleaner in each section, just on the inner 2 rings. Again, this is the way I do it. This is the way I prefer to do it. There's a million other ways. I just prefer not to have to glue each of my chenille stems onto the wreath form. So I find that this, when you use 2 of the bars, it helps hold pretty good. So it's worked for me so far. All right, now we are going to work on the outside of the ring. And we are going to put 2 chenille stems in each section on the 2 outer bars. All right, so we're going to start with this section here. Again, we're going to put this in the 2 outer. Same thing we did a minute ago. We're going to twist like a bread tie, a little tension. 1, 2, done. Still in that same section. We're going to twist twice and done. Now you can see in this section, we've got 1 chenille stem or pipe cleaner with the 2 inside bars, and then we've got 2 on the outer 2 bars. So when you go to put your mesh on or whatever you put on here, it's spread out evenly, and to me it just works. It makes it look better when you've got everything kind of spread out. You're not going to have 2 ribbons on top of each other once you place everything on your wreath. All right, let's keep going. All right, next section. We're gonna put this around the 2 outer rings or the 2 outer bars. Twist twice, done. Again, same section. This is our second one. I'm going to put it around the 2 outer, twist twice with a little tension, and done. So now we've got our 3 in this other section. Next section, same thing. The outer 2 bars, little tension, twist twice, done. One more in this section, twist twice, done. Again, you can see the 3 in this section, and it's exactly the same the whole way around the wreath. Let's keep going. The outer 2, little tension, done. Again, the outer 2 wires, little tension, twist twice, done. Again, the outer 2, twist twice, done. All right, and we're done with that section. Again, we've got 3 chenille stems in one section. So you're gonna have 3 all the way around. And if you notice, I try to space them between the bar and the one that we centered on the 2 inner rings. So that way it really is evenly spaced. When you put all your materials on, it's gonna just be spaced out perfectly. And so everything's not on top of each other. All right, last section. We're gonna put this pipe cleaner on the outer 2. Twist twice, done. Last one. Twice, done. All right, guys, this is how I make my wreath forms. I hope this helps you. I know when I first started, I could not find a video that showed me how to do that correctly, and I just prefer to make my own. It saves you a lot of money, and when you buy like me, I know there's a lot of wreath makers out there that love to go out and buy these beautiful ribbons and signs and spend money on all your supplies, and that to me that's the fun part. But so to try to save a little bit here and there, I do like to make my own wreath forms. Again, you know, this was just $1, and then your pipe cleaners, which I got at Hobby Lobby, and you can get them anywhere. And they're not that expensive either. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. Make sure and subscribe. I'm going to be doing a lot of tutorials based on wreath making coming up in just a few days. We're actually going to make a dog wreath with a sign that my company made. So be watching out for that. Again, thanks so much. And if you guys have any questions on this at all, please feel free to message me, and I will get back to you. Have a great day and a great week. Thanks, guys. Bye.